All right. Rotisserie chicken nuggets. I'm going to be tasting these today. I tried to get some a couple of weeks ago, but the store unfortunately ran out of something. They said they didn't have them. So I called today and they had them. So I ran up there real quick to get them. And these little bit of things right here. Oh my God. $6. $6. They better be good. But one thing, they are generous with the sauce. But hey, what I'm supposed to do with that little bit of shit? Oh, they do look pale like on the... They don't look like this on the billboard. This the spicy. I'm going to go with the spicy first. No. No. Let me try it with the sauce. Sauce is actually good. It does make them better, but hot sauce don't even really taste good. Look how plain and pale that look. I'm gonna go in without. These actually are a little bit better. Now let's try the sauce. That's the special original sauce or whatever. Them good. These, I go with the plain over the hot, but I won't be buying these again. No way. It's about a 4 out of 10 for me. But this sauce, both of the sauces are really good, and that's just barbecue sauce. They had that before from Boston Market. Boston Market, quit.